This is a follow-up video for getting a cuckoo clock or another type of clock with this system in beat. The second set of series that I showed you was with a clock that did not have a count wheel. And I told you that once you opened up the foot, which is what my finger is pointing at, you need separation in the foot so the pendulum leader wire bounces off of it. But once you open it up and you stopped it, whatever side the pendulum leader wire was touching is the side that you bend the virgin crutch assembly in this motion right here to move the foot toward that side of the wire. However, with the clock that has the count wheel, it's totally opposite. I didn't design these clocks. I don't know the schematics, how these clocks are built and all that. I just know how to work on them and get them in beat. With the count wheel clock, whatever side the wire touches on the foot, you bend it so the foot goes the opposite direction. And I'm going to show you here. Here I have the foot to where the wire is touching when it stops. The wire is touching the left side of the foot, so I need to bend it to the right. See, it's touching the left side of the foot. In the other video I showed you, which didn't have a count wheel, I told you to bend it so the foot goes to the left because the wire's touching the left side of the foot. On a count wheel clock, it's totally opposite. You have to bend it so the foot goes the other way in order to get it ticking. See, it's still touching the left side of the foot when I stopped it, so I have to, when it stopped, well, in this case, it looks like it's in beat. I just was holding my breath wrong or something. So, again, count wheel clock, whatever side the pendulum leader wire touches on the foot, bend the foot. Bend the wire that's coming out of the clock between the elbow that's coming out of the clock and the foot in the opposite direction that the wire stopped on. Here it stopped on the left side of the foot again. I need to bend it just a little bit so the foot goes to the right. I also have the cuckoo wires in the way. That's probably causing the issue. But with a count wheel clock, bend it totally opposite versus the other clocks without the count wheel. I hope this clears things up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.